Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have bind the Google Donut chart in the analytical module. Here you can see. Right now we have very small view available here. So what we will do, we can add width and height with this div. We can set style, and here we have height, and give it to 400 pixel. Save it, refresh once again, and here you can see how it's look alike. Okay, now make it more bigger, 600, and the whole of pie should be increased by 3, and refresh again. And here how it's look alike right now. Okay, what we need to do now, we need to replace these information with the available information of database. So before that, let's change it. Here you can see, here we have work, eat, and etc. information. Here we have browsers, usage. So browser is Firefox, Chrome, EI, and that's it. And now refresh. So here you can see we have Firefox, Chrome, IE, Safari, Opera, etc. And these are the percentage of usage by the user. Okay, and here you can see how it's built. We have name of browser and the usage quantity of browser. Okay, let's view to the analytics. Here we have analytics. On the one side we have browser, so I use browser, and here, and now I will use group by browser, and here I will use count browser, and refresh, and here you can see we have Mozilla and 13. So there are 13 records which are based on Mozilla. If we have more records, like I will go to the database, and within the table, right click here and click edit top 200 rows, and change this into and that's it. And now refresh again, and here you can see I have different information available. So this is the SQL query which we need to perform to get this information and render that within this donut chart. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.